and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. I'm giving you a different kind of unboxing today. So while I was in Australia recently visiting family, I did ask on one of the Facebook groups, where can I see physical diamond paintings in Australia? And as well as the Spotlight and Lincraft, somebody recommended that we visit somebody who runs a group in the Geelong and surrounding areas, and she has gazillions of diamond paintings for sale. So I might have picked up a few that I quite liked, so I thought I'd show you. So the first one is a partial. Now, I've only ever done one partial before, however this is a partial with rhinestones. So this one has little rhinestones, has a couple of different little shapes as well. If I can get in the bag, I'll show you the couple of different shapes. So we have like a orange, oh, focus. We have like a little orange pear shape, and then trying not to lose focus, we also have these little ones that are sort of a rhinestone surrounded by rhinestones. So they're quite cute. And then we have a few colours of the standard rhinestones. So I picked this one up from her. She does tend to get them in from AliExpress. They all came with whatever toolkits they need to come with. This one cost me $9. So she doesn't do it for profit. She does it so that she's got a selection for the group, and I was very happy and felt the prices were very reasonable, so I picked up a few. So we've got a butterfly rhinestones, which I picked up for something a little bit different. I then picked up another rhinestones one, however this one is a full drill and this one is a tiger. So this one also came with the pack of rhinestones. I think the black might be normal, but apart from that, they're all definitely the sort of silver-backed rhinestone type. So I picked that one up, and that one was $13. So that was for that one. Then I picked up a flamingo. So that's a flamingo one. This one's in square. Now I have put the diamonds into a bag ready for this one and double check the inventory, but just to show you a closer up picture. So that is the flamingo, and that one was $17. So this is how I store my rhinestones ready to go, is in these bags, in my sort of diamond cupboard. Oh, sorry, it's not square, it's round. I do apologise. I did get some that were round. I did get a square one as well. So that's a flamingo in round. And this is how I store sort of all my diamonds ready for actually using it. So, and then these go into a folder. So I don't know whether I will do with these. I might just label them up because they're actually smaller than putting them in those pouches, but I'll see how much space I've got. So that was that one, and then I got a couple of big ones. So one is a 5 panel. This again is in round. This one also only cost me $17. So this one's a 5 panel, and they do all use the same key, and this one does all have the DMC numbers on. So I thought that one would be nice and a little bit different to do. I probably will chop it up to work on it. It'll be a whole lot easier. I'll just have to remember to keep the key because it didn't come with an inventory sheet, this one. So that's that one. And then last but not least, I got this woman. So I will get the inventory sheet out for you, but this one was in square. Look how cool she is. I just love the colours on it. So this is the big pack of diamonds. I've not checked off these ones yet. However, the lady who does it, in fact I can't even get in it at the moment, but the lady who does it does check them off herself and signs it on the bottom. So she just signs to confirm that it's complete. So I'm happy that it is complete, and it's not like I don't have loads of diamonds if not. But that's the picture that I got. I thought that was absolutely awesome colours wise. I thought that would be really fun to do. So this one was $32. So even so, for a 50 by 50 to be able to look, rummage through and pick is just amazing. So I thought I'd show you guys before I get them all into my baggies and get them stashed into my stash. So it's a different type of unboxing. But yeah, if you live in the Geelong and surrounding areas, have a look at their group. They meet up in lots of different areas around there. So Ocean Grove, Nordale, I'm trying to remember all the names and not get them wrong because I don't live there. Is it St Leonard's? Or is it, no, Leopold, I think. Yeah, there's a few different places around the Geelong and surrounding areas that they do meet up. So, you know, get onto their group if you're in that area and have a look. But I'm very happy that I managed to go away on holiday and come back with some goodies, which is always fun. So I've got a couple of rhinestone ones which are more for fun than anything else. I thought it'd be nice to sort of see what they look like. I may or may not let one of the kids do one, but this one is definitely mine. I just think he looks awesome. I think he's going to look so cool, all glittery. But yeah, I'll show you what they look like once they're done. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know what has been added to my current stash. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.